Brad, how do you fight your cravings for more food? Simple answer to that is I eat more food. But when I say food, I'm talking about real, whole food. Food that is full of nutrients and fiber and everything else that's actually going to keep you fuller longer. When you eat the food that is void of all nutrition, like the white flours, the white sugars, it just throws your blood sugar levels all over the place and it's not filling you up whatsoever. That's what we call empty calories. It's not doing anything for you except for throwing your hormone levels all over the place and adding to that fat. So you want to stay away from that food. You want to eat whole foods. And people often ask me, do I count calories? When I first got into the game, I did count calories because I think it's very important that you need to understand the value of a calorie and where your calories are coming from. So if I take a look at a chicken breast or a tablespoon of almond butter or fruit, I can tell you how much calories is in it. I can probably tell you how much fat, protein, and carbs is in it. So I have that education. But now, I don't need to count calories because I know what my body needs, I know the energy that I require, and I know how to burn it off. So I really don't count calories. But here's what my tips, and I posted it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you're missing a lot of tips that I give out. Here is what I have when I have a late night snack craving. I will go to the fridge, I'll grab a tablespoon of almond butter, and I'll have a hot green tea. It may not sound very soothing, but the almond butter is very satiating and it's delicious. I absolutely love almond butter. Almond butter doesn't stay in my kitchen very long because I attack it. And then the green tea, I don't know what it is about green tea, it's just the soothing effect of something hot going into your body. It just makes you feel calm and satiated because most times at night, you're really not that hungry, you're just maybe a little bit bored. So great question. So next time you have a craving at night, go for a tablespoon of almond butter and green tea, see what it does for you, and let me know if that works for you.